Week 1 is done. We started at $5,000. We are sitting at 4,971. That's minus $28.90. Minus 0.58% for the week. Here's every trade the bot took, every decision it made, and the one thing I noticed that I'm going to be watching closely going forward. The challenge account went live on July 19th. The bot's first full trading day was on Monday, July 20th. And the first thing it did was nothing. Not because there was nothing to trade, not because the strategy had no signals, because the news risk gate couldn't connect to its data feed. And when it can't verify the news calendar, it doesn't guess, it blocks everything. Zero trades on day one of a real platform challenge. Was that frustrating? Yes. Was it the right call? Also, yes. A bot that trades blind into a news event isn't a system you can trust with a challenge account. The gate did exactly what it was designed to do. The fix was deployed that evening. Tuesday, the bot started trading. Four trades, all AMR. The Asia Horse reversion family. The strategy fades move back to the mean during quiet Asia hours. Tuesday, the market didn't cooperate. AUD JPY buy stopped out minus $12. CAD JPY buy stopped out minus $2. EUR JPY buy stopped out minus $7. GBP JPY buy stopped out minus 29, the biggest loss of the day. Tuesday total minus $51.92. The account was now down just over 1% from the start. Plenty of room, but not the start anyone wants. Wednesday, one trade, AUD JPY, but this time SL. The bot saw the market had moved too far to the upside and faded it back down. Entry at 114.35, target at 114.23. Target hit $7.96. Small, but the first green trade on the real prop firm account. The strategy worked exactly the way the backtest said it would. That matters more than the dollar amount. Thursday was the most interesting day of the week. Three trades, and they tell three different stories. First, URJPY buy ran cleanly to target $8.34. Good trade, no drama. Second trade, CAD buy position. Entry at 115.966. Target at 116.24. The bot held this position for over 7 hours. Price drifted, held the line, and eventually hit the full take profit, plus $36.83. Best trade of the week. The strategy doing exactly what 530 backers said it would do. Third trade, GBP JPY, buy position, stopped out, minus $34. GBP JPY again. Here's the thing I'm watching. GBP JPY traded twice this week, both losses. Combined, minus $64. Every other pair had mixed results, wins and losses. GBP JPY was consistent, in the wrong direction. Without the two GBP JPY losses, the week was profitable. That's not a conclusion, it's a data point. Two trades is not a sample size. You cannot fire a strategy on two trades. The checkpoint rule was written before this challenge started. 20 AMR trades or August 1st. That's when we review. We are at 10 closed trades now. No parameter changes, no early decisions. The rule decides, not the emotion. But GBP JPY is on notice. The data is being recorded. The checkpoint is coming. Friday closed the week on the right note. Two EUR JPY and AUD JPY sells. Both hit target. $8.63 for the day. Not enough to flip the week green, but the right direction to end on. 10 trades, 5 wins, 5 losses. 50% win rate, but the profit factor is 0.67. That means Losses outweighed wins in dollar terms, even though the count was equal. The reason is straightforward. Gross loss $88, GBP JPY alone 64. That's 72% of all losses this week coming from one pair. Remove GBP JPY and that week's profit factor jumps above 1. That's why it's on notice. Week 2 starts tonight. The AMR checkpoint is August 1st. 10 more trades or the review triggers automatically. Monday drift hasn't fired it. It needs the right Sunday night conditions. If it fires tonight, that's how next week opens. The bot trades autonomously. I don't touch the positions. Next Sunday, week 2 on the scoreboard. See you then.